So let's take a look at some problems that are going to be like what your practice is like. So these come from the practice sheet in the core section. Notice there are also some book problems in the core section, so make sure you look at that as well. All right. So given this arithmetic sequence, find the common difference and then also find the next three terms in the sequence. This is not meant to be tricky. Now, if you think it's helpful, you can organize this in a table form. You can also just take a look at the list as it is and ask yourself, okay, as I'm going down the list, what is my common difference? So we're going to be taking term minus term going backward to figure that out. So kind of like a bottom minus top. If these were listed in table form, take a negative 160 minus 40, and you got negative 200. All right, well, does doing another minus 200 get me down to negative 360? Yes, it does. Okay, so there's our common difference. So the first part, find the common difference. We use the letter D for that. The common difference is negative 200. So anytime your sequence decreases, that D will be negative. Anytime your sequence increases, that D will be positive. All right, and then find the next three terms. So my next term is going to be negative 560 minus 200. So the next three terms are negative 760, subtract 200 again. It's going to be negative 960, and then subtract 200 again. It's going to be minus 1160. So because it's a big difference, we see these numbers are getting pretty negative pretty fast. So your answer then is the common difference, and then also the next 1, 2, 3 terms going along there. Okay, I'd like you to do the same thing with this next one. Quick pause if you would. I want you to try it and then unpause when you're ready to check, okay? So what do we see? This time I notice the terms are getting bigger as we go up. So I'm going to say, all right, from negative 15 to negative 9, to see how much we increased. Again, think of it in table form. You're going to do bottom minus top. So the negative 9 minus the negative 15. So that's going to be a 6. Okay, so we went up by 6. If you go up by 6 again, so negative 9 plus 6, yeah, that's negative 3. If you go up 6 again, so from negative 3 up to 0 is 3. You go 3 more, so 6 altogether. Sure enough. Okay, so our common difference is positive 6. Positive because the numbers are increasing, and 6 because they're 6 apart. And then the next three terms, take 3 and add on 6, you get 9. Add on another 6, you got 15. Add on one more 6, you got a 21. Okay, next up, same deal. I would like you to do a quick pause, come up with what you think is right, and then unpause when you are ready to check it. All right, let's give things a look. Going back to the pen. 32 to 35 to 38. Okay, so we're going up. So these are positive differences. And we're going up by 3. So plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So that common difference is a positive 3. Again, this arithmetic sequence is increasing, so a positive difference. And then the next term, 41 plus 3 is 44, plus 3 again, and plus 3 again. All right. So this common difference, that's what your textbook calls the sequence generator. I'm more often going to refer to it as the common difference. They mean the same thing. Okay, this next one. Once again, quick pause, unpause when you are ready to check. Okay, so negative 15 to negative 24. Okay, so going down. So it's going to be a negative common difference this time. How far apart are they? Well, from 15 to 24, that's a difference of 9, right? So we're going down by 9, down by 9, down by 9. Now, another way to figure that is pick any pair and do bottom, think of it in table form. You do bottom minus top. So negative 33 minus negative 24, that gets you that common difference as well. Okay, let's keep up the pattern. So common difference of negative 9. So then if we go another negative 9, so negative 42 plus negative 9 is going to be negative 51, plus negative 9 again, plus negative 9 again. Now, once you've done this here, I want you to know the process. You don't have to do these additions in your head. You can use a calculator for that. I'd much rather have you use a calculator than make a silly arithmetic error and miss things. Okay, there's the first part of your practice.